So today is a little bit of a sad day. Today is the day that I am unfortunately stripped my Fiesta. And it begins. Taking the front end off. As you can see, it comes off in 2 halves. Let's move that light around, it's right in my eyes. But yeah, so I'm stripping my Fiesta. Yep, I said it. Surely they unplug. Absolute hive of activity going on here.
Bullets that have melted.
Have they?
So they can't come apart.
Oh really? So my wiring loom's catching fire, is that what you're trying to say?
No, it's just hot.
Hot?
It will be fine, look, they come apart. See?
Just cut that wiring loom with a pair of snips, haven't you?
Yes.
Look at my turbo.
Not your turbo.
Oh no, it's not, I've sold that, I've got a bigger one.
This is yours.
It is.
Take it.
Yeah, pull the antifreeze outside, what's the matter with you?
Yeah, no problem, you do it.
Kids. So yeah, I'm stripping the race car.
This ain't a 13.
It's not.
No, it's not.
And as everyone's turned up, it's actually going really well. In fact, it probably won't be too long till it's out. So yeah.
So, oh yeah, we'll do it like that. And I'm like, no, it's not happening. He was late coming over to my mats. Literally fucking left it.
It's better? Yeah, nothing. We having fun, ladies?
Yeah, we're doing some work.
Well, I know, you just, you seem to be getting on with it. Why'd I stop you?
Why have you not been using them?
You right there? Did you just fall over?
Probably. Fall over, right, pull them through.
Ginger coming out of me.
Big guy. You can take the gears to the guy if you really want.
She's well apart now. Got the shafts out. Got the back mount off. Everything's disconnected. Just need to find something to lower it onto, and then pull the engine out. Poor car. So got the engine out, as you can see. It's been many years since I've seen my car look this bare. Wow. Engine box is out there on a typical scrapyard tyre. Aftermarket alternator. Yeah, so now I'm gonna bolt the bottom hubs back together, like put the bottom ball joint back in. I'm gonna find some CV joints, throw some CV joints in to hold the bearings in so it'll roll. Put the slicks back on. Slicks are dead, so that's why they're rolling around and all this crap. So don't worry about that. I've got some new tyres. I'm gonna put the front end back on so it looks like a car again. Put the bonnet on, and then yeah, then a bit of a drive tomorrow. She's back on her wheels. Rolling again. Got to tidy her up a bit. Put the front end on. And yeah. Poor car. Do you think I've made the right choice?
Yes.
Right, I feel like I have got a little bit of explaining to do why I've absolutely stripped my Fiesta down and why it's on the back. Look, it's dead. Look, take a look. Having a little piggyback ride. So basically, my Fiesta has got this major problem where if I get to like 140 mile an hour, it torque steers across the strip, and I'm a little bit too old now and I get quite nervous. If I was younger, I could probably just hold on and send it, but I can't really hack it now. And after speaking to a lot of other front wheel drive drag racers and stuff like that, I've determined that the front end of my Fiesta hasn't got enough caster dialed into it. So I spoke to a few people, I rung a few companies, and one name kept coming up over and over again. And I ended up getting in contact with him, spoke to him about my car, said that I need some sort of adjustable caster and camber so I can dial the front of my car in, and he was like bang on it, like he was well up for getting involved with the car. So I've waited a couple of months because he's a busy guy. I've booked in with him, the time has come, stripped the car down as you now know, and we're dropping it to him. So you're going to see in a minute where we're going, so yeah, hold on. So what do you think of my shed?
It's not a shed.
What do you think of the tube framework?
It needs a bit of love.
It does, doesn't it?
It's a small amount of love.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Throw the old bits away. Put some new ones in.
Are you just going to cut the whole thing off, or just
Throw
what?
in the bin. Back in.
Go from scratch?
I think we might do. Yeah, I think we made it. We'll make a little bit more clearance.
I might get you to do something with the bulkhead as well, because there's loads of holes in it.
Yeah, that needs some work.
It always worries me if there's a fire that it will lick through all the little holes and stuff.
Problem. We don't like fires.
No, definitely not.
Yeah,
Cool.
Especially with the engine that close to the fire. Yeah, I think we'll cut most of that out. We'll ship
Yeah.
it out of it. Roll a dick into it. Fine.
I'll let you do a bead roll a dick into it, did you say? Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I think we'll cut the firewall out, seal it up, and get rid of the door stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm well under the impression that I'm probably going to be starting again with this car now.
Pretty much.
It's going to be like complete from scratch.
But you have done a lot with it.
Yeah.
Already, so
I've come a long way.
sort of get to the limits of it,
Yeah.
and then change a load of shit.
I think
Get that set up.
I think the thing that has just sort of worried me the most is when it does get grip at like 140-ish, it was just waving all over the track and it was like really uncontrollable.
Yeah, there's next to no cars.
Yeah, they're very, very upright.
Yeah, that would help, especially at the
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we can set that up.
Yeah.
Might be controlled.
Is that why you're a welder? So yeah, there you have it. Basically, I've dropped my Fiesta off at Hard Knock Speed Shop. I've basically just sort of given it to him and said, you know, I see you're quite enthusiastic about it. Do what you need to do to make it better. And he was like, yeah, okay, I'll do it. So that's about it for this little clip blog video. Blog? Yeah, I'll go with blog. That's it for this little blog video. Cheers, guys. Bye.